Hey, it's Maya. Today I'm going to be unboxing, it's just one piece, hopefully this will be quick, but it's a hoodie I bought from Culture Kings as a part of Black Friday sales. This is half price. So a tiny bit of backstory. I've been looking for a zip hoodie, like a fleece hoodie to wear at home. My husband has a couple and I find like, oh, it's nice and comforting to wear at home, but I wanted my own, but I've been looking for the right one. And yeah, it's taken a while. Hopefully this is it because I actually haven't seen this in person. I actually don't know how the sizing will go. So my husband picked it up from the building manager downstairs and he tied a ribbon on it, which is so cute. So, looky. This is half price. And this brand, I've admired it for a while. And hopefully this works out for me. Okay, so, oh, so the body of the jacket is grey, like a mild dark grey, but I did not expect the print to be this fluoro. So this is a hoodie by the Antisocial Social Club, and I've seen people walk around with this, usually white on black in Melbourne, and I think it's so quirky because it's like, I think it's ironic. I think that's the gist of it, that you know, in a social club, how do you be antisocial? And I think it speaks to the internet era, Gen Z millennial kind of thing. But yeah, this pink on the website looked too good. It's very fluoro here. And this was retail for $250 and I got it half price. And I used the Honey Chrome extension to get free express shipping. Okay, I'll open this. I have to actually cut it. Okay. Trust this scissors here. There's construction nearby, and that's why you might be hearing drilling. Okay. Okay. So like, okay, if I'm just mainly wearing this at home, I think it's perfect because you're at home and you're antisocial. So the fabric feels okay. The hoodie is lined. Oh, it's quite, the inside is quite, it's like, you know, like the backside of fleece that feels a little bit like the fibers are coming off. So it feels really soft, but I'm just concerned now that the fluff that comes off might stick to my clothes underneath. It's not like the, you know, the underside of a tracksuit material that's quite held together. It's not really that. Okay. Anyways, there's a silver zip. It's pretty good. So the smallest size they had was a large. So I'm gonna see if this works for me. Otherwise I might have to return it. Okay, so, oh, made in the USA. What's it say? It says, everyone goes away in the end. Everyone goes away in the end. I should not follow them on social media or anything. Sorry. Funny. So I guess saying life is temporary. Okay, so there was the branding at the front, and there's the giant branding at the back, which, like, I see people walk in front of me and it's really obvious. I haven't really seen it on the street in colors though. It's usually white on black. And then this also has, wasn't sure about the arms, but it says Antisocial Social Club, and then the other arm has the print in a different way. Ugh. So I'll put it on as well to show you, but this says Antisocial Social Club in a different text. Okay, let's try this. Do you like my t-shirt with a baby Mickey on it? So funny. Bit of a backstory. This t-shirt was like $3 I think, from Big W, and this picture was on a jumper in Zara, but I didn't like the actual jumper. My husband took a photo of the Mickey, and he went to a t-shirt printing shop and he got it printed and surprised me with it, which is like years ago, but it's so cute. All right, so I've been vibing pink, as you may have noticed in my previous unboxings. So I think pink is connected to love, so I'm getting back to love with myself. Okay, so it says Antisocial Social Club here. This font is not bad. This one's a bit more blocky and is in all, they're all in all caps. So this has like a shadow. Okay, so what does it look like? So it's long. It covers my butt, which is not bad if you want to wear it at home. Otherwise, like, it's not actually too loose. I've got a mirror on the side, just looking at it. Sleeves are good. Yeah, you can cover your hands, you know, the at-home attitude. Alright, so to be antisocial, you gotta wear a hoodie, right? And mind you, I'm not even really a hoodie person. Like, I have a few colourful ones, and it's very specific as to when I wear them. But in general, I'm not really a casual person. But with everything changing post-lockdowns and everything, people's clothing in general have definitely casualified, and I'm slowly, you know, being impacted by that. But this is for home. Okay, so that's the hoodie. It's a good colour. Okay, just zipping this up. Ah! What do you think? Have you heard of this brand before? Isn't it funny? I realize I like nice things, luxurious things, refined things, arty things, as well as quirky. So this is my quirky. Right. Zipping it up. Cool. This sizing's not bad for a home hoodie. This is in the back. Fun. Okay, it's got kangaroo pouch pockets. Alright, so this is pretty good. I don't think I necessarily need to find a medium. Large is okay for its intention. Okay, so now have a look at how the fluff has gone on my black t-shirt. Whoops. I don't know if this is existing fluff or fluff from the shirt, from the jumper. Hopefully it'll not be too bad once I wash it. Put this inside. Cool. I don't know, it's like I'm antisocial, but secretly I'm quite happy and loving and bright. How funny is this? Alright, that's it. So verdict is I'm keeping it. Thanks for watching. Like my video, share if you liked this video. If it was interesting, let me know what your thoughts are, and subscribe to follow more of my fashion